How are you, Muhammad Abdur Rehman? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about your day? MashaAllah. Are you ready for class? Okay, nice, MashaAllah. Let's read after me, please. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so yesterday, Alhamdulillah, what we did, we were on lesson number 20 and we practiced till Sakta rule, right? In the last class. So now, sometimes you see in the Quran there is a letter Sod, and on top of that there is a small sin like that. So, what do you think in the first one? Do we read Sod or Sin? And second one? Okay, read both of these without spellings. Start with A'udhu Billah and Bismillah, please. Good. Yab. Sutu. Good. It's a fatha. MashaAllah. Good job. Okay, what about this one? Do we read Sod or Sin? Both. So which one would you read?
I guess I would be clean.
Sin.
Clean. But
Okay.
you can read both, just optional. Like which one you can choose.
It's up to you, whatever you want to. Which one you pick, Sin or Sod?
What?
Okay, read.
Sumu. Sumu. Mu. Ay. Simuna.
Yes. Musay Tayruna. Good job.
And you can, and for number 4, you can only do sword for some reason.
Good. Okay, what about this one?
Being, sorry.
MashaAllah. So, is the concept clear about these four words? Okay, mashallah. Next, we're gonna learn about tasheel. The meaning of tasheel is to make soft. What to make soft? We have to pronounce the second hamza with a soft tone. And in this, like, there is only one word in the Quran where tasheel is wajib. And let's go towards that word. Okay, so this is the word. You remember that we did in the past as well. So you can see what we're gonna do. We'll try to read it. Try to divide this word into few portions, like three maybe. First, I will divide like that. Okay, so there are three portions. I'm going to highlight them. Number one is this one. Okay. Number two is this one, and the number four is this one.
Where's number 3?
Second,
Where's number 3?
is this because so that we'll be able to read them properly. So first read the right portion. Good. Now read the yellow one.
Yun.
Do gunna because it's a wow from Yarmalun after Tanween.
Yaniwa.
Good job. You can say wa when you read the third one portion, okay? So just till you can read. Second, good job. Now join these two portions, please. Yes, good job. So when you join meme with the letter ya, you can just say mi you with a slight pause on ya. Say please. Good job. Now read the third portion, please.
وعربي
MashaAllah. So here when you do tasheel, you need to make sure this hamza, the second hamza will be soft, like this one. أعجمي وعربي. So not a R, but أعجمي, like that. Do like that, please. R.
like a pilot goes,
Something like that, yeah. Okay. This happens only one time in the Quran. Okay, only one time. Okay, this is Imala, mashallah. This is also one time in the Quran. So if you see this one, Ra has a standing kasra, right? So if we say simply, it will be Re, Ra standing kasra, Re. But technically, this is not a standing kasra here. This is Ra of Imala. So we'll say Ra of Imala. Re. What do we say? Re. Okay, Re. So it will becomes Maj. Re. Ha. How we gonna pronounce that? Yeah. So instead of saying Re, we'll say Re. Yes. Okay, can you spell please? Ye- Good. Of. Yes. Re. Good job. Join. MashaAllah. Okay, last rule in this lesson is this. You can see a red sign, a red letter here. Look. Yes. So this is the letter Lam. Which letter is this? Okay, don't play with that. Just listen to me carefully. This is the red letter, right? This is the letter Lam. Can you see a letter before Lam and after Lam? Which letter are those? An Alif, right? Alif, Alif. Can you see the page, please? Yeah, look at the screen, please. Yes. So this is an Alif, this is also an Alif. And can you see this Alif too? So there are three Alifs here. One, and this is two, this is three. So all those Alifs will not gonna read. Okay? So just avoid those and read from here, please. How do we say? Yeah, don't do qalqalah. Bi'salismul fusuqu. Mul, not mul, mul. Okay, say the last time, then inshallah we'll move to the next lesson. Yes, lismul, lismul